Confirming tonight that a major probe is underway against the St. Louis City prosecutor. The allegations against Kim Gardner, ethical violations, and the end result could be her losing her license to practice law. Good evening, I'm Samantha Jones.
And I'm Corey Stark. News 4 broke the story just moments ago on your KMOV News app. News 4 investigator Lauren Traeger is detailing what she's learning tonight. Lauren?
Well, tonight we know that Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner is facing a disciplinary hearing after an investigation found probable cause that she committed professional misconduct. What's that all mean? Well, for a lawyer, it is not good news. It means she's going to have to defend herself and at the end of the day could be disciplined up to a complete loss of her law license. You may remember there were complaints filed against Gardner's license after the prosecution of then Governor Eric Greitens back in 2018. The Greitens legal team alleged Gardner overstepped her ethical obligations and did things outside what is expected or required of a prosecutor. Whenever a complaint is filed against a lawyer, it's investigated by what is called the Chief Disciplinary Council in the state of Missouri, an agency of the Supreme Court. Tonight, a state website was updated to include Gardner's name as being pending a disciplinary hearing. That means that after an investigation, the Chief Disciplinary Council has found that probable cause that Gardner committed professional misconduct. We don't, however, know the exact allegations. That information is supposed to be public record, supposed to be released to you, the public, but so far that has not been provided to us tonight. We do know, though, that Gardner will now have the opportunity to defend herself to a panel who will decide if she did, in fact, commit professional misconduct. And while experts tell News 4 complaints against lawyers do sometimes happen, to have them get this far in the process is not something any lawyer wants to see happen to them.
I think it's probably safe to say that lawyers uniformly don't want to be in that position, and you certainly don't want to be in the position of losing your ability to have a livelihood as a lawyer, which would happen if you get suspended or disbarred.
Of course, this is still very early in the process, but down the road, as he mentioned there, it is possible that Gardner could be disciplined with what's called an admonishment or with something more serious like suspension or complete revocation of her law license. We have called the circuit attorney for comment, but so far have not yet heard back. I have been working to get additional details on all of this tonight, and of course, as soon as I get them, I will bring them to you. Live in the control room, I'm Lauren Traeger, News 4 Investigates. Again,